Hi again, my burp lover. I'm just here with you.
I'm just here to show you that I'm use oil, not cream.
And when I apply this, burp while I'm this.
Oh, sorry. Wow.
I love the oil sensation.
I really love the oil sensation. It calms my skin.
And you, what do you rather? Oil? Or a cream?
What burps? What a burps?
Don't forget to subscribe, please.
Don't forget to subscribe, please. You know that will keep me tuned with you.
Thank you for always watching me. I really love my burps.
And you? Can you understand all my message while burping or not?
Where are you from? I am from Colombia. Do you? Need a little of my face.
If you have some suggestions, please comment me. Don't forget that you can contact me for another videos between you and I only.
I love you, everybody. Don't forget me. Like and share.